Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. If you're following my spring cleaning or Ramadan prep series, now is the time to deep clean my kitchen and get it ready for Ramadan. So let's go and make it happen. So before I start deep cleaning today, I want to show you my cleaning tools and supplies, my water and vinegar mixture, which I'll be using in all my cleaning videos. My another water and dish soap mixture, I just added 2 tablespoons of dish soap in a warm water, and that's what it is. Then I am using an extra cleaning tool today. It's this Murphy oil soap, and I'll show you how to use it later in this video. Then my favorite and my best cleaning tool is this cleaning mitt, which I got from Dollar Tree from a car cleaning supply area. And I use it to clean blinds, light fixtures, and it's the best thing ever happened to me. Then I bought these, Dollar Tree have this eco-friendly microfiber cloths now. It's like, they have like, it has two in one pack. It works perfectly. And then I have this microfiber cloth as well. I got it from Dollar Tree. And then I have this another microfiber cloth option. You don't have to buy all of them. I'm just showing you the options I have, and you can use one of them. Then of course regular old paper towel, and let's go and start our deep cleaning today. So first I'll be cleaning out my cabinets, and I'm cleaning from inside. You don't have to clean all the cabinets from inside, but some of the cabinets really want that deep cleaning from inside. So I just use these liners in my cabinet. They are very easy. I got it from Walmart, and then you can just wash them off and wipe them off as well. We had this fumigation like a couple of months ago, so first I'm clearing that all out, then I'm dusting with my cleaning mitt, and then I'll spray my water vinegar mixture, wipe it out completely from all the sides with the paper towel, and then I just put my liner back and I'm rearranging all my stuff. So that's the fun part of deep cleaning. You can rearrange everything from other cabinets, or you can start working on new systems which were not working before, like this. This is my junk drawer. Kids use this as well. And then I keep my foil and all those Ziploc bags in there. I bought some organizer bins from Dollar Tree. They were not working, so I bought these other bins from Dollar Tree, and now this system is working for us. I did the same with some other cabinets as well. Now is the time to clean the surface of the kitchen. So first I pick up each and everything from the counter and from the kitchen and put it outside. This take like extra 10 to 15 minutes, but this will give me a clean slate to work and sanitize my kitchen. Spring cleaning or deep cleaning means going to the places which you don't usually clean in daily basis, and that's the top of the fridge. Sometimes you found the stuff from on top of the fridge which you don't even know when you put it there, or even you had it. Then I start cleaning the surface of my cabinet with water and dish soap liquid, and then if I have some stubborn stain like oil splitters, I clean it out with some magic erasers. Now this is the top cabinet which is on top of my stove, and it's so embarrassing. It has all the dust and the food splatters and it's stuck there. So I use the same water, just soap liquid, and scrub it out, and I did the same with other cabinets as well. And then my kitchen cabinets are done. Now it's time to clean the counter surface. I spray the water and dish soap liquid, and then in an S motion just clean it out and then dried it out, and then I use the cleaning wipes to shine it off. Don't forget the walls at this point. Just spray some dish liquid water mixture on the walls as well, and the electric sockets needs wiping off too. I use magic erasers to completely clean my electric sockets. Now it's time to do that magic which I was talking about. So I took a bowl full of hot water and then add 2 tablespoons of Murphy oil. Then I dip a microfiber cloth and wipe out the clean cabinet surface. I'm doing this to give it a showroom shine. I don't know if camera is doing that justice, but my cabinets are looking perfectly clean and new, and they have that perfect shine which we see in showrooms. Then I have this extra counter space where as our breakfast snack we do our breakfast in the morning, or fruit splatters and all the dust was accumulating, and it's hard to clean this place every day. So I'm tackling this place as well and doing the same cleaning method which I did for the rest of the kitchen. Now it's time to go ahead and clean our sink. I do this cleaning process like in a week or 2 weeks but I'm doing this again since I'm deep cleaning today. I am sprinkling some baking soda all over this thing, and then I would drizzle some vinegar and baking soda will activate it and create that fizz, and I will let the fizz drain down and leave this sink for like 5 to 10 minutes. Then to clean the faucet, I took a vinegar in a Ziploc bag and then I tightened it on a faucet and left it for 5-10 minutes. Then I took a toothbrush and cleaned the top of the faucet. You will see the clear difference in water flow after doing that. Then I cleaned the sink and scrub it off all the vinegar and baking soda. Now it's time to clean your stove. I'm putting all the stove burners and the grills in the dishwasher and then spraying that water in dish liquid and wiping off all the dirt from top. After cleaning all the tops, now it's time to clean the floor. I just wipe down all the dirt and then I'll mop the floor, and don't forget all the nooks and the sides which we forget in our daily basis cleaning. And after cleaning, all my broom mops are reorganized on the wall. I got this hooks from a hardware store, and now my brooms and mops have their home as well. Sharing any spring cleaning or deep cleaning video is just for motivation, and I hope I'm getting success in that. Before Ramadan, I am deep cleaning my house and my kitchen, and if you are doing so, please let me know in the comments how it's working out with you. Thank you so much for appreciating and liking my videos. Please remember me and my family in your prayers this Ramadan, and once again, thank you so much for watching. And after this kind of deep cleaning, a big cup of coffee is needed. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy more videos like this.